There is a story that everyone thinks they know. A billionaire, a balloon, a plan to spray something into the sky to cool the Earth. Shall we peek behind the story? Here is what we know. Since 2007, Bill Gates has funded research into solar geoengineering, computer models, lab studies. The Harvard project that became famous, SCoPEx, was cancelled in March 2024. It never flew. From all of that funding, the stratosphere has received nothing. But a door has been opened, and other people are walking through it. The experiments are spreading and accelerating. Right now, Israel, the UK, the United States. No global oversight exists for any of it. No permission was required because there's no single global authority who can grant it. Fancy a deeper look? The Earth absorbs about 70% of the energy that arrives from the Sun. Some of it bounces back into space. The rest is absorbed and re-emitted as longer wavelength radiation, heat. Greenhouse gases, the CO2, the methane, do not block sunlight coming in. They catch that heat on its way out and hold it. The Earth keeps absorbing more than it releases. That accumulation is global warming. Now, to cool the Earth, there are two levers. Lever 1. Stop some of the energy from arriving in the first place. Lever 2. Remove the greenhouse gases that are trapping the heat. The simple answer: stop the emissions and pull out what is already in the air. But carbon removal at scale does not yet exist as a technology, and so far, polluting pays better than fixing it. Which leaves lever 1. Reduce the sunlight that reaches the ground. But how? A fleet of aircraft would fly 20 kilometers up above the weather and release fine particles into the stratosphere. Calcium carbonate or sulfur. The science is sound. The intention is sincere. Hold the temperature down for a few decades while they deal with the emissions. It is sold as a pause button, except the physics is a one-way door. Once started, it cannot be stopped safely. The spraying does not remove the CO2 we have already put in the atmosphere, it just hides it. But the warming accumulates underneath. Now imagine the spraying stops. For any reason. A war. A crisis. The heat starts arriving again, all of it, all at once. Decades of warming. In 1 or 2 years. They call it termination shock, and it carries risks. What we know is that the ozone layer would thin, the sky would whiten, the deep blue, gone. What we do not know is what it would do to the monsoons that feed billions, to rainfall, to entire ecosystems. The question is, who has the right to alter the air we share? And why are we accepting answers from people who never asked us?